In this video, I'm going to show you how to add effects in LMMS. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the View tab up top, and you want to make sure your FX mixer is enabled over here, or you could do this by pressing F9 on your keyboard as well, okay? So when you have the FX mixer, that's the thing you're going to need, and then of course you must have something where you can put on your effect. So I'm going to go and click on here, and then double click, and I'm actually just going to do some simple piano sequence just to show you. So just like this. I'm just going to do something very basic. It's going to sound bad, but you get the point. I'm just going to now play this. Okay, so you can hear it. It's awful, but still you get the point. When it plays, it basically sounds like this. So, okay, you heard how it sounds. Now we're going to add some effects on here. So to do this, first you have to go over here within your sound editor and the song editor, excuse me. You want to click on this kind of cogwheel, setting cogwheel, and you want to go and basically set it a new FX, okay? So in the FX mixer, you can create new ones, new channels over here. This is going to be FX1. I created a new one, and we're going to use this one. So I'm going to assign it this one. I'm going to hover over it and do FX1 like this. Now in here, inside FX1, I'm going to enable the effects chain, and I'm going to click on Add Effect, and then here you have a bunch of different effects. You could go and, for example, search for reverb, and if I go in reverb over here, for example, I can select like this one. Of course, there's a bunch of different ones. You can test them out, whichever one you like. I'm just going to click on this, click on OK. There we go. I've added on some reverb. And of course, I could add some other effects as well. Like, for example, if I look for like maybe some echoes, there we go. We have like some echoes over here. I can also click on that. There we go. And now I have two effects. Of course, over here on the right, they're going to pop up. I can edit them if I want to, completely up to you. And then if I now play this, you'll hear that, of course, I've put on some effects and the sound actually changed. So let me play this for you. Yeah, so as you were able to hear, there was a bit of echo and some reverb as well. So that's essentially how to add effects in LMMS. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.